Now we will solve the series whose nth term I can write as a difference of two terms. If you see the series, it will look like this. See, Tn is equal to 1 upon n, n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3. I say how it looks like. So before it, I will say that I am able to write the nth term of the series, and now I am able to can I able to write it as a difference of two terms. So what is the difference of two terms? So I say, let's suppose I writing as a difference of two functions f of n minus f of n minus 1. It means I am writing the nth term as a difference of two terms. But how the series looks? The series will look you at like this. It is composed of the product of r factors in AP, the first factor of several terms being in the same AP. As an example, just see these questions. What you are seeing in this question is that 135, 357, 579. It is a product of three factors. 135 in second term you are seeing 357, third term you are seeing 579, which are in AP. Also, if you visualize the first term of each term, yeah, first factor of each terms are in AP. So the method to solve such type of series is that I have to write as a difference of two terms, fn, fn minus 1. After that I have to place n is equal to 1. I will get f of 1 minus f of 0. Here n equal to 1. If I place n is equal to 2, I will get t of 2. Here f of 2 minus f of 1. When I place 3, I will get f of 3 minus f of 2 dotted dotted. I place t n minus 1. What I will get? F of n minus 1. Here I am placing n minus 1 minus f of n minus 2. And the last term tn, then I will get f of n minus f of n minus 1. So here the series we have to write as a difference of two terms, and after that you place n equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n equal to 3, dotted dotted, n is equal to n. What is sum of the series? S is equal to sigma tn. N is equal to 1 to n. It means t1 plus t2 plus t3 dotted dotted tn. So the sum is addition of all these terms. Just have a look how it get cancelled. See, if you add it, f of 1 minus f of 1 will get cancelled. F of 2 minus f of 2 will get cancelled. Similarly, here many terms are there. It keeps on cancelling. f1 minus 2 will be get cancelled before it, and f of n minus 1 get cancelled with f of n minus 1. So what the sum of the terms result you are getting? You are getting f of n minus f of 0. So let's look an example so that we can clear more. See, I am saying what is the nth term of this series? Then you will say, okay, let me see, s equal to 1 into 3 into 5. 1 upon 3, 5, 7. So the product of three factors, first term is 1, 3 and 5. This is AP. So I can write Tn as 1 plus n minus 1 and common difference is 2. So Tn is equal to 2n minus 2 plus 1. That is Tn is equal to, this becomes 2n minus 1. So I am writing the nth term first. The first factor of the three terms, which is multiplied consecutive, is 2n minus 1. So look at the second factor. It is 1. It increases by 2, again increases by 2. Here 3 increases by 2, increases by 2. So the next factor will be 2n plus 1 increase by 2, again increase by 2, 2n plus 3. Now the main task was that write the nth term as a difference of two terms. Then how we will write it? See here, Tn. I will ask in these three factors which are in product, the maximum value of the three factors which you are saying is what? Then you will say 2n plus 3 is maximum. So first of all write here 2n plus 3, and minimum is, so you will say 2n minus 1, then minus from here 2n minus 1. Again I will say I am manipulating this to write in the difference form, but doing this, what I am getting on the numerator, you will see 2n plus 3 minus 2n plus 1. It means I am getting 4, so I will divide with 4. Now see, I am writing in the difference form, means next step is Tn is equal to 1 by 4 2n plus 3 divided by 2n minus 1 2n plus 1 2n plus 3 minus 2n minus 1 2n minus 1 2n minus plus 1 and product 2n plus 3 and bracket close. See here, 2n plus 3 and 2n plus 3 will get cancelled here. Then Tn will become 1 by 4 1 upon 2n minus 1 2n plus 1 minus 2n minus 1 will get cancelled, and here remaining 2n plus 1 into 2n plus 3. So now I have written the nth term as a difference of two n terms, two terms which are function of n, f of n minus f of n minus 1. Now I will place n is equal to 1. N is equal to 1, it means T1 will be 1 by 4. I am placing 1, this become 1, this become 3. I am placing here 1, this become 3, this will become 5. T2 will be 1 by 4, 2 I am placing, see here, 2 into 2, 4 minus 1, 3, and this will be 5 minus, I am placing 2 here, it becomes 5 into 7. T3, 1 by 4, when I place 3 here, it becomes 6, 5, 7 minus 1 upon, I am placing here, n is equal to 3, it becomes 6, 7, 7, this become 9, dotted. Last term I am writing Tn minus 1, Tn minus 1, let write it. It becomes 1 by 4, now I am placing n minus 1 here. So what you will get? 1 upon 2n minus 3, 2n plus minus 3, n minus 1 I am placing 2n plus 1 minus 1 upon 2n n minus 1, 2n minus 2, so this become 2n minus 1. Okay, see here n minus 1 I am placing here, also n minus 1, 3 it becomes, and this become 2n plus 1. And the last term I am writing Tn, again the same thing, I am writing whole 1 by 4 1 by 2n minus 1 2n plus 1 minus 1 upon 2n plus 1 and 2n plus 3. Now let's add the terms. See here, it get cancelled like this. In between there are terms, these terms will get cancelled above like this. Again these terms will get cancelled by this one. 1 upon 2n minus 1, 2n plus 1 will get cancelled here. So as what you are getting, sigma Tn, n is equal to 1 से लेकर n is equal to 1 by 4. The first term I am remaining, that is 1 by 3 minus, this is the last, this one, 1 upon 2n plus 1, 2n plus 3. This is the answer of this series. Now question number 2. Again, if you are saying the R factor means 4 factors which are in product, each are in AP, and if you carry with visualize this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So nth term I am writing here Tn is equal to 1 upon n. Afterward 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Yani 1, 1 increasing. So I am writing n plus 1, n plus 2 and n plus 3. Okay. 1 increase, 1 increase and 1 increase. Now again I want to write this as a difference. So again the maximum value is n plus 3 and minimum value is n. See here I am writing n plus 3 minus n divided by n, n plus 1, n plus 2 and n plus 3. In the numerator I have written as the highest value is n plus 3 and lowest value is n minus n. By doing this numerator I am getting 3, but initially I have 1, so I am dividing by 1 by 3. Now I am writing Tn as a difference of two terms, n plus 3 divided by this, n plus 3 divided by n, n plus 1, n plus 2 and n plus 3 minus n upon n, n plus 1, n plus 2 and n plus 3. So Tn becomes 1 by 3, 1 upon n, n plus 1, n plus 2 minus this get cancelled and this become 1 upon n plus 1, n plus 2 and n plus 3. Now I am placing n is equal to 1. So what I will get? 1 upon 3. See here I am placing n equal to 1. 1, 2, 3 minus 1 I am placed 2, 3, 4. T2 1 by 3, 1 upon 2 I am placing here 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4 minus 2, 3, 4, 5. T3 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 4, 5 minus 1 upon 4, 5, 6 dotted dotted. Let's place Tn minus 1 so that you can visualize it how it is get cancelled again. Tn minus 1 I am placing 1 by 3 here dotted dotted. Okay, many terms are there. 1 upon n minus 1 and n plus 1 minus 1 upon n, n plus 1, n plus 2 here dotted dotted. Last Tn I am writing 1 by 3, 1 upon n, n plus 1, n plus 2 minus 1 upon n plus 1, n plus 2 and n plus 3. How it will get cancelled? S is equal to sigma Tn, n is equal to 1 to n. See here this get cancelled like this. This is cancelling, this is cancelling, this is cancelling. Then S is equal to Tn, this is 1 by 3, 1 upon 2 into 3 it becomes 6 and the last term remaining 1 upon n plus 1, n plus 2 and n plus 3. So this is the answer of this series. Now see in the next questions. The question number 3 is shown 3 upon 1 into 2 into 4, 4 upon 2, 3, 5, 5 upon 3, 4, 6 dotted dotted Tn. Again there are 3 factors are in product but not in AP. So I will try to make it in AP. I will see here 3 is missing, here 4 is missing, here 5 is missing. The general concept is that multiply with 3 and divide with 3. This become 3 square, 1, 2, 3, 4. This become 4 square and it becomes 2, 3, 4, 5. This become 5 square, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let write here the nth term. What is the nth term? So here see first is 3, numerator I am seeing. Second term is 4, third term is 5, yani 2 increasing. First term 3, second term 4, third term 5th. So nth term will be n plus 2 whole square. Divide by, see here, the each product first term, what you are saying, terms 1 2 3. So here it becomes n plus 1, n plus 2 and n plus 3. So I am able to write the nth term. So let's write the nth term Tn. So Tn is n plus 2 whole square divided by n into n plus 1, n plus 2 and n plus 3. See, now I can write this nth term and if break it, this become n square plus 4n plus 4 and divide by n into n plus 1, n plus 2 and n plus 3. Again I will say one thing, remember the thing, you want to break again difference of the two terms, but here you are not able to break. So see here, I am writing this 4 as a 3 plus 1. So I am writing Tn as, see here, n square plus 4n plus 3 plus 1 divided by n into n plus 1, n plus 2 and n plus 3. Again split into the two parts, n square plus 4n plus 3 divided by n, n plus 1, n plus 2 or n plus 3 plus 1 upon n, n plus 1, n plus 2 into n plus 3. Now see what you can write here. This become n plus 3 into n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, n plus 2 and n plus 3. So these two terms will get cancelled. No, n plus 3 and n plus 1 will get cancelled. Okay, this and this will get cancelled and this and this. And see again remaining here 1 into n into. So now you are able to solve this 2 1. So see here it becomes Tn is equal to 1 upon n into n plus 2 or plus 1 upon n into n plus 1, n plus 2 into n plus 3. Now again you can split these two terms Tn as Tn1 and Tn2 into the difference of two terms, and you can solve as we have done previously the two questions, and you can solve it. Main purpose is that we have to reach the nth term in the R factor product which are in consecutive APs.